Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Boundaries of the third ventricle. So what does it include? So there is a roof. The roof is by the choroid plexus. Then comes the lateral wall. The lateral wall, it includes the thalamus and the hypothalamus. Then comes the anterior wall. Anterior wall, it includes the anterior commissure, as well as there is presence of the lamina terminalis. Then comes the posterior wall. The posterior wall, it includes the pineal gland and also the posterior commissure and the aqueduct of the sylvius. Now looking at the floor includes the optic chiasma. There is the infundibulum, there is a mammillary bodies, as well as the posterior perforating surfaces and the tegmentum of the midbrain. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.